Hey guys, we're back in my channel. We're playing with my friend Gamer. So we're gonna do a video, whatever she wants, she gets, or we're just doing different when she doesn't agree with it. Okay. Because I'm not in a call with her, because, yeah. Don't want to be in a call. Alright. It's fun. Do me? I want your dream. Okay. You get whatever you want from this game. You get, bro. Yeah, I said that like 1,000 times. And you know what? It's gonna be parents because she can see. Okay. So what do you want? So when you want. So when you want. Oh yeah, and I have to get some money. Panda. She's asking me for a panda. OMG. Yeah, fine. What? That's... Ooh, that's, how much money do I have? Nope. That's a lot. Nope, that's a lot. Wow. Not Robux. Not Robux. What? Oh. Oh, mine? Oh, my. But I love my panda. But I love my panda. I love my bed. I love my bed. You want panda? Yeah. And I can't buy it from Robux. I am getting Robux tomorrow. And I can't buy it from Robux. What you want? So what you want? Yeah, I'm not buying nothing for Robux because yeah, that's my Robux. I just buy a lot of money because yeah, I'm getting food. Okay, I know, but what you want now? Okay, I know, but what you want now? What she wants? Okay. Do not want a egg. You do not want a egg? Look. I don't know. Let's see what you get. Let's see what you get. Okay, let's see what she gets. Okay. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's cute. Common. It's okay. It's still cute. It's okay. It's still cute. Yeah, I know. Wait. Fine. Now what you want? Okay. And get a little more money, cause yeah, I may run out of money. Why don't I'm still thinking that for long. Okay, here you go. It's just boring, just wood. And I'm just gonna turn my level. I like it. Ew, the eyes. The hell am I? I'm gonna name these eyes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do you want a egg? Egg. Talk to me. How about her a crack egg? Okay, that's really mean, but whatever. I'm not wasting my money just for her. Let's see it. Oh, okay then. Whatever, it's okay. It's gonna be still cute. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Aww. 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 You get it. She's like, a cat? Seriously, a cat? and I can get better than that. Yeah, guys, but if I don't say bye, sorry, but because I'm not really looking at when it's gonna finish, because yeah, it has time to finish. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get a little more money, cause yeah, she may like, you know, buy more things, and I need money. And I hope she doesn't say the holy hug. That's gonna be really bad. Well, do you want this? Yeah, I think she really wants that. Yeah, wants what? Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. It's just really fun doing this. Well, I think I'm gonna end this video right here, guys, because yeah, I may just go off, and yeah, I don't want that to happen. I can't say bye. So yeah, bye.